Can that be your intro?
Lily! Good morning.
Good morning! Happy Monday! That's really all I have to say. I gotta go.
Oh, yes.
That is the ugliest face I've ever made.
My name is Walker Griffith.
My name is Veronica Lentome, and this is
The vlog.
Paul, should I wear my costume for this next scene just for fun?
no. What's the name of the game?
Mamma Mia? I don't know.
Incorrect. The answer was Monopoly.
We're so happy. My
Vlog
name
part 2.
is Julia.
You already know who I am. So,
Nobody
Yeah.
likes him. They don't.
He's
know
not
who you
important.
are.
Yeah.
that's rude.
Are you worried about that?
For the music, forgiving it too. Oh, my angina. What's so funny?
Do you want to be on my vlog?
Your vlog? What's a vlog? You gotta get me in my dumb moment, really. That's just not right.
Am I famous now?
Filthy, filthy swine.
Hello. Hi, vlog.
I'm back.
What is it?
It's some exclusive content.
Didn't see it there. Oh, no, it's mine.
I'm sorry, Jimmy.
Yes?
I didn't make the cut. Did you get it?
My mom used to make me sit on the naughty step. Are we not going up there this time?
Oh, it was unlocked.
Who is he?
Abbey Road! Wait, I'm wearing that shirt right now! Vlog! Exposed! Exposed! Hi, vlog.
Logan!
You're so cute. Hello, everybody. Today is Tuesday. It's a great day. This is the third rainbow that I've seen this week. What a wonderful world.
I just did.
What?
That's a nice shawl you got there.
It's my cape, actually.
Chunky toe in the house.
Just like, is there a word that describes, like, he would chew the food and put it on his locker, and in other episodes it would be baby bottle nipples. Not Ariana.
Okay, I know.
But she is.
I think we all sing.
I didn't see that. Can you pull that up? 5, 6, 7, 8.
How's your cooking? It's so good.
I'm in the vlogging. Logan is just terrible. Absolutely terrible. I'm just kidding. She's a good dance partner.
Those are the shoes I'd use. Wait. Used for what?
Bye vlog, I had a really good time in Florida and I'll see you in Ohio vlog.
Good morning. Happy Wednesday, folks. Today is one of those days when you wake up and it's just like unfair.
Hey, Bloge. What's up?
Hello.
Happy Wednesday.
Hi, I'm Sydney Logan.
And I'm Hayden Walker. And you're watching Mamma Mia.
I do not sound
Do,
like
do,
that.
do. What are you smelling?
Mamma Mia.
I can still recall.
Having a baby.
Don't hit her! Happy Thursday. pants today because my Achilles is swollen and hurting.
Olivia, what's your favorite number in the show?
Like, I think it's like, does your mother know? Because like, it's like not too dancey, but it's like also like acting.
Hi, look at my knee.
Hi, vlog. I don't want to judge it. Walker, wait. What are you doing, man? Walker, we gotta look good or she's not gonna put it in.
Vlog!
Oh,
Hey, how are you doing? I do too, and I taste it.
What's this in Lisa's backpack? Dear Sam, I think we should be friends forever. Did you know you are my best friend? Well, you are my best friend. I'm going to ask my mom if we can have a play date. I hope you write back soon. Ow, I just hit my... Hello, it is Friday. What are your thoughts? Let me know. Hello!
I need you to dance with your heart. Dance. My name is Dance Master. End scene, acting. Oh no, what's wrong? What's wrong? The Dance Master is taking over. Dance.
I don't want to do it anymore.
Blueberries. She's coming back, but a little bit sexy. Oh, little dumpling. Somebody tell me what's wrong with me right now. Do you hear my ankles? They crack. Do you know who I am? Dance Master. Cat is rubbing off.
Do you like me socks?
What colour are they?
Brown.
They're taupe.
Oh my god. My thumb.
Hi vlog, we're in work hall. This is our beautiful set.
Am I a bad bridesmaid because I'm not sewing your sash?
A little bit.
Let's do a mukbang.
A mukbang. Me feeding veggie boy lettuce, not clickbait.
Tastes like rabbits. I'm a vegetarian, but I eat rabbits. There's marshmallows in that. Gelatin is disgusting.
Does anybody else not cut their bread and just tear it like a heathen? Welcome to my bread talk.
That was good, but it was also disgusting and I hated it. And
Smell this.
I have a pimple in the back of my neck. You're funny, let's be friends. Oink, oink. Syncopation.